Hey, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So today is going to be a tidy Tuesday, and you guys, let me tell you, I really need to tidy a space, but it's not in my house. It's actually outside in the trunk of my car. The reason is I've been living out of my car for the past, I don't know, week and a half. So I'll show you the inside. Well, I can't show you the inside because it's not unlocked, but oh, there we go. So we did a great job of just cleaning out of all of the things. So I still have some trash, different things I need to clean out. And then back here is where I actually keep all of my work stuff. But I had to move everything because Trandon had to shimmy into the car so we could get him home from surgery. So quickly, because I had to meet him this morning, I shoved everything in the trunk of my car. And we're going to open the trunk of my car and let you see what it looks like. Friends, Romans and countrymen, lend me your ears. This is a tragic state of affairs. This is past the tragic state of affairs, but it is the state that we are in. So what we're going to do is I'm going to get everything pulled out of here. We're going to trash the trash. I'm going to put my work stuff back into the car, and then we're going to get this place back in order, because I do have to now start packing an overnight bag, just because I am probably going to have to be on the road quite a bit over the next couple weeks. So we're going to just get everything squared away, get everything out, and then we're going to repack the trunk. But y'all, it is time to do a tidy Tuesday in my car. Okay, you guys, so there it is, tidy Tuesday. Please forgive the sun if it's really bad and you can't see, but from back here, now you can tell I have a lot of space here for groceries, and I can put stuff on top of the bags if I need to, or I can put both bags on each other. Let's try that. Jackson, put your bag on top of Alana's bag, since you normally get your bag out first anyway and you have the most stuff. Or your bag can go on top of his, sister. It doesn't matter. Either one. And then here we go. So now we have a whole side that's cleared out. And then that's just, Jackson has a much bigger bag than sister does. And that's my coupon book. Now mom has a bag, but I'm not using it right now. So I actually flattened it down. I still have equipment in there, but not a lot of heavy equipment, and I just shoved it in the back of our car bag, which we actually need to go through and make sure we have it good. So now I can put a small suitcase in here to make sure that I can travel for going with my mom, between my mom and Trandon, because they both have now had surgery, and then I can get my groceries in. I just needed something that's going to work for me, and then where I'm not just shoving things on top of each other. I still need a van, but until, you know, God lets us work with what we have. So praise the Lord. And then I have all of my school things. My school bucket is back here, and then I have a box of curriculum stuff that I'm using. So I did get blessed with a bag, to get a bag. I just haven't had a chance to get it yet. So you still see the bucket. I'm working on it. I'm gonna get the bag very soon and still do that video. It is coming soon. But anywho, Tidy Tuesday doesn't have to be in your house. It can be just 15 minutes to take a space and try to bring some order to your chaos And that is it, Tidy Tuesday of our car. So if you like this video, be sure and give it a thumbs up, just as hey, we like your video. If you're new to our channel, hit the red subscribe button. We'd love to keep you as a part of our YouTube community. Also hit that little bell, that way you never miss an upload from us. Thank you guys so much for stopping by our channel, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.